Here with the Masters of None. It's Austin here. Up these rock ledges. There's a cave up here. Been here a couple years ago. We're gonna go check it out again. Walking down in this cave here. Get down in here. Old bottle, some liquids. Old bottle. That's glass. Not sure what she is there. All kinds of old bottles. Some metal up in there. Back in here, it looks like it goes further through that hole. Someone brought a log in here too and burnt the center out. Probably used it as a bed.
That was already here.
Oh, it was already here?
Yep.
Alright. Get back to you if we find anything interesting. Not sure what railroad we're off of here, but right here is a big viaduct. I'll show you in a minute. There's two tunnels to go the whole way through this hillside. Up there's a railway, and it comes out on the other side. But I was climbing down the hill, found a train wheel, mounts on the tracks up there. I'll grab it on the way back and show you. I'll do a cleanup video. But it's coming down the mountain. Nick here said there might have been a train wreck because we keep finding all these things right here. We got some burnt coal, charcoal, you got slag, and then you got a bunch of coke. It's like charcoal iron ore. They usually get the fire real hot. Hold on one second. Master of None here, he found something.
This seems to be an old fire pit.
Yeah.
Probably from the workers who built this tunnel system here.
See down in there, those tunnels I was talking about. Big stone viaduct. Right in here is these two tunnels. I keep saying that. Sorry if you can't hear me, but back down in there, way on the other side where it comes out, there's two of these. I walked through this one, the other one has a big sinkhole, but they have big stones that are scattered to channel the water in a zigzag pattern like that. Nice deep hole right here. Down about another 100, 200 yards is a big waterfall. I'm not sure if the correct name, but I call it Kaufman Falls because this is Kaufman Run Creek off 601 in Seanor. This is Kaufman Falls. Got a little stream. Right down there, Stony Creek River. When was this built? 1917, this bridge? I think so, 1917. River's really up today. It's moving fast.